Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English, your number 1 exercise grammar, page number 9, 10 and 11. Students, now let us start. Use of post modifiers after nouns. Post modifiers give extra or specific information about the noun, for example, place, possession and identifying features. For example number 1, Binish, our teacher, gives us many tasks. In this example, phrase our teacher is a post modifier. Next example number 2, the man in the blue shirt is my neighbor. In this example, phrase blue shirt is a post modifier. Next example number 3, we have come here to see the boy who was injured in the attack. In this example, phrase injured in the attack is a post modifier. Next, underline the post modifier in the following statements. इसमें नंबर 1 पे सेंटेंस है द हाउस अक्रॉस द स्ट्रीट इज हांटेड. इस सेंटेंस में फ्रेज अक्रॉस द स्ट्रीट पोस्ट मॉडिफायर को अंडरलाइन करना है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस नंबर 2, माय चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड इज कमिंग फ्रॉम मुल्तान. इस सेंटेंस में वर्ड फ्रेंड पोस्ट मॉडिफायर को अंडरलाइन करना है. नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 10, सेंटेंस नंबर 3, द मैन विद द वाइट बियर्ड इज माई ग्रैंडफादर. इस सेंटेंस में फ्रेज विद द वाइट बियर्ड पोस्ट मॉडिफायर को अंडरलाइन करना है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस नंबर 4, द पीपल बिहाइंड मी आर मेकिंग टू मच नॉइज. इस सेंटेंस में फ्रेज बिहाइंड मी पोस्ट मॉडिफायर को अंडरलाइन करना है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस नंबर 5, वी नीड अ बोट टू गो ओवर टू द आइलैंड. इस सेंटेंस में फ्रेज अ बोट पोस्ट मॉडिफायर को अंडरलाइन करना है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, प्लूरल नाउन्स बट सिंगुलर इन मीनिंग. Some nouns, especially those ending in s, although plural in form, are singular in number and in meaning. They are always spoken as plural nouns whether you use them. For example, news, scissors, glasses, trousers, pants, jeans. Next, make a list of singular nouns that are written in plural form. आंसर नोट करें. oars, tongs, shoes, arms, pants. Next topic, sentence patterns. A sentence is commonly defined as a complete unit of thought. For example, I wear glasses. There are many glasses on the table. Next, a simple sentence contains a subject and a verb. There are a variety of simple sentences. A subject is usually a noun that performs an action. A verb is usually the action of or by the subject. An object is usually a noun that receives the action and usually follows the verb. Next point, intransitive verbs need no objects to complete their meaning. For example, cry, run, jump, sleep, etc. Next point, transitive verbs need an object to complete their meanings. For example, catch, like, see, make. Next topic, subject, verb, pattern, SV. Subject, intransitive, verb, pattern, SIV. The SIV pattern is the simplest sentence type. For example, Amjad sneezed, angels exit, she runs, the audience laughs, birds fly. Next, page number 11. Subject, transitive verb, SVO pattern. The SVO pattern is the simplest sentence type. It includes a subject, a transitive verb, and an object. For example, the boy hurled stones. Sana dropped her mobile. Akil reads a book. My mother buys a cake. Next, make 3 simple sentences of your own using each SV and SVO patterns. आंसर नोट करें. SV sentences. Sentence number 1, she walks. Sentence number 2, he laughed. Sentence number 3, we sleep. Next, SVO sentences. Sentence number 1, she takes tea. Sentence number 2, he buys a car. Sentence number 3, we help others. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly note down this work on your books. It is your book work. Okay. Allah Hafiz.